In this video, we are going to discuss about the heading tags. Many times we need to give heading to the text. In case when you have to give heading, you are going to make use of the H tag. H tag is for the heading, and we have 6 different levels of heading that begin from 1 to 6. And to show and to indicate each heading, we have to show it as H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. 6 is the last one. You can show the text in the 6 H6, that's the maximum. H1 is the first and the largest heading. H6 is the smallest. H1 is the largest, H6 is the smallest. And the syntax of the heading tag or the H tag is you have to write HN. HN means you don't have to write N. Here in place of N you have to write the heading number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So it will be H1, H2, H3 or whatever is applicable, whichever you want to use. Then you have to give the text to be displayed, and then you have to close the HN. That is, suppose here we have used H1 heading text, then you have to close H1. So N means number 1 to 6, any number. To understand this better, let us look at one example. And the example you can see, there is a coding HTML head title is know your heading labels. Then close the head, the body begins, and in the body we have written the headings. See, we have written H1 first heading, close the H1, then H2 second heading, close the H2, H3 third heading, close H3. Similarly, we are doing with the H4, H5, H6, and finally the body and the HTML are closed. You can see the result of this. We said H1 is the largest. So you see the text that was written within the H1 tag appears to be the boldest and the tallest of all the text. Then similarly you can see this is the H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H6 is the smallest, so you can see the effect of the H6. So like this you can make use of the heading tag, H tag, and it is not compulsory that we have to make use of all the H tags. You need not to make use of all H1, H2 till H6. That is your choice, how bold, how larger text you want to show. If you want to use alone H3, you can make use of that. If you want to show alone the H6 style, you can show that. Even if you want to make use of the H1 alone, you can show that. So actually what I want to say is that it is not compulsory for you to make use of all the heading tags. You can make use of only that heading tag which is required by you. Next, we move ahead with the tag which are required to give blank spaces. Sometimes we need to give blank spaces. Blank spaces can be given by the spacebar also. But if you try to give more than one space through the space bar, automatically when your output will appear, all the extra spaces will be trimmed off. All the extra spaces will be deleted. So to give more than one space, we require a special type of the tag in the HTML, and these tags are known as and NBSP. These and NBSP are used to add extra blank space between the text. To understand this, let us look at this example. As usual, head HTML, everything is written, and in the body we have written roll number and NBSP, and then the name and the body is closed. So you see between the roll number and name we have given and NBSP. So because of this and NBSP tag, you can see there is a blank space in the result between the first text and the next text. This can be done with the space bar also, because here only single space is given. But in case if I require 2 spaces, I require 3 spaces, or I require 10 spaces, I can't make use of that. So what you have to do is, here we have used only one single NBSP. If you require 3 spaces, you are going to write thrice NBSP, NBSP and NBSP. If you need 10 spaces, you are required to give 10 times and NBSP and NBSP. So that means as many as spaces are required, that many and NBSP tags are to be used. So simple, if you have to give the extra spaces, you are going to make use of the and NBSP tag. Now yet very another important tag, that is to set the background color, because without colors the pages are not going to look attractive, whether it is your text color or whether it is your background color. Colors are must, colors are required to make your web page look more enhancing, more beautiful. So when you have to set the background color, we make use of the BG color. BG color is an attribute. It's not a tag, it's an attribute that is used with the body. So the syntax is body BG color equals to, you have to give the color name or hexa number or RGB number. See, all these three are not to be written all together. Only one can be written out of that. That is, every of the color has got RGB value in HTML. So as you can see over here, RGB value is given 255,0,0, and here hexa number is given #F0000, and even the color name red is given. So these both the codes are for the red color. If we do not know the hex number or we don't know the RGB number, straight away we can write down the color name. So anything you can write in this one. How to do that? As usual, HTML head and then body BG color is to be written, and your required color. You want to give red, yellow, blue, green, whichever color you require, that should be written after equal to in the inverted commas. Body BG color equals to red. There shouldn't be any space between the BG and color. And remember, the spelling of the color here is going to be COLOR, not COLOUR. It won't be accepted. Then we have written heading 1, H1, align. That is, paragraph is to be written in the boldest form and the alignment is going to be the center. And what is to be written? Prachi India Private Limited. Then close the heading. H2 align equals to center. Then the next text will appear in the second heading style and towards the center. What is to be written there? Browse the word 7th and close H2. See here, nowhere we have closed BG color. We have not closed BG color because BG color is not a tag. It is an attribute of the body tag, and attributes are never closed. So therefore there isn't any closing of the BG color. And you can see the result. The result is, because we have given body BG color equals to red, so you can see a red background appear, and the first heading style we have written Prachi India Private Limited towards the center of the page, so it is displayed here. And next, in the second heading style, we have written browse the word 7. Then you can see with the second heading style, it appeared in the next line. So this is how you can set the background and beautify your web pages.